Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to chat on Moodle app. It's a very simple and quick process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you'll see this interface. Here, you can enter the URL of your Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you'll see a list. Find your school's link and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of your Moodle site of your school. Here you can enter your username and your password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to this dashboard. Now in order to chat, here you can see the chat icon at the top. Tap on it. Here you have different categories of your chat. You will have a group chat and your private chat as well. Right now I'm not in any group, so it is not showing up here. I'll select private. You can tap on the profile and it will open the chat window. Here you can type your messages and chat with the person. You can add more friends from the groups and chat with them. So that's it. That's how you can chat on Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.